Introducing the new 180, 220, and 260 SL Precision Cut Walk Greens mowers that take fewer steps to produce a perfect green. It all starts with a patented SpeedLink system, standard on every John Deere Golf reel mower, that lets you make instant height of cut adjustments to both sides of the roller from one point with a cordless power drill. No hardware to loosen or tighten. And that's just the beginning of how much easier these walks are to maintain. It's simple for your technician to switch rollers to meet the changing demands of the growing season, just by removing 2 bolts that secure a new patented roller bracket. Our industry-exclusive Greens Tender Conditioner and rotary brush options now include new depth adjustments to make setting quick and easy, while still delivering superior performance and an enhanced after-cut appearance. There's a new out-front push brush option that produces a more pronounced stripe and is easy to adjust for aggressiveness. Out on the green, these lightweight mowers continue to include everything John Deere Walk Greens mowers are known for, like effortless turning, better engagement with the turf, and straighter tracking. So talk to your John Deere Golf representative about a demo today and benefit from an easier way to maintain your greens tomorrow.